Morning dear students, today we will study lesson 3 major physical features of the earth. Yesterday we studied about mountains and plateaus. Today we will study about plains. A flat and low lying land surface is known as a plain. They are also referred to as lowlands. Unlike mountains, there is no highest or lowest point on a plain. The entire stretch is usually of the same level. Some plains have a gentle slope. Mountains and plateaus are raised lands, but plain is not raised, it is of same level. Little bit slope can be there, but almost it is of same level. Where do we find these plains? These plains areas are in the world are on river banks, and these are made fertile by soil brought by the rivers. ज़्यादातर जो प्लेन एरिया होती है वो हमें मिलते हैं रिवर के पास. रिवर बैंक्स मीन्स नदी के किनारे होती हैं प्लेन्स. रिवर से जो सॉयल उन्हें मिलती है उसकी वजह से वो लैंड बहुत फर्टाइल हो जाते हैं, वहाँ एग्रीकल्चर बहुत अच्छा हो सकता है. Rivers originating in the mountains bring silt and sand with them. Silt means also मिट्टी. ठीक है. Now when rivers slow down, the minerals are deposited on their banks. Means समुद्र में गिरने से पहले, before getting into the ocean or seas, the river deposits its minerals on their banks. These deposits help in the formation of the plains. Okay. Now, can you name any such plain in India? Okay, find out this. Now we will study about importance of plains. Importance is that plains are suitable for agriculture as they have fertile soils. Many crops can be grown here. The second importance is most of the ancient civilizations have settled near the banks of rivers flowing through the plains. Third is it is easier to build communication and transportation system such as roads and railway lines and canals in the plains than in mountains or plateaus. If you try to form roads, railway lines in the mountains or plateaus, it would be very difficult because of their rocky structure. But in plains, it is very easy, and means of transportation also moves very easily on a plain. So it is easier to build communication and transport system on the plains. Moreover, plains are suitable for people to live in. लोगों के लिए वहाँ रहना आसान होता है. वाई? बिकॉज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट इज़ ऑफ सेम लेवल, एंड देन मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन एंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इज़ गुड, एग्रीकल्चर इज़ गुड, सो इट इज़ ईजी फॉर पीपल टू सेटल डाउन इन plains. Next, many big industries and factories such as iron and steel, cement, etc. are easier to set up in plains. So most industries are found here. Why? Because it is easy to set up factories and industries in plain rather than in mountains or plateaus. Now we will study about deserts. An area which is barren and receives very little rainfall is known as a desert region. Barren means बिल्कुल खाली, जहाँ कोई एग्रीकल्चर या कोई वेजिटेशन ग्रो नहीं करती, एंड जहाँ बहुत कम रेनफॉल होता है उस रीजन को हम कहते हैं डेजर्ट. देयर इज़ वेरी लिटिल वेजिटेशन इन डेजर्ट्स. नाउ एग्रीकल्चर इज़ व्हाट वी ग्रो एज क्रॉप्स, एंड वेजिटेशन इज़ व्हाट नेचुरली ग्रोज देयर इन अ प्लेस. Deserts may be of many types: hot sandy deserts, cold deserts covered with snow, rocky deserts, semi-deserts, etc. Now in the hot deserts, the days are hot and nights are cold. Dust storms and sand dunes are very common in deserts. डस्ट स्टॉर्म्स इन धूल भरी आंधी एंड सैंड ड्यून्स, सैंड के पहाड़ बन जाते हैं. दीज आर वेरी कॉमन इन डेजर्ट. नाउ सहारा इन अफ्रीका, द पैटागोनिया इन साउथ अमेरिका, the Thar and the Arabian desert in Asia are some of the famous hot deserts. Siberia is a cold desert. So now let us find out that what is the importance of deserts. Some of the deserts have important mineral resources. Deserts में भी mineral resources होते हैं. Some desert regions are important tourist destinations too. That I already told, like mountains, plateaus were also tourist destinations. Some of the desert regions are also important tourist destinations. India, Jaisalmer, Jodhpur are hot desert tourist places, and Ladakh is cold desert tourist destination. I hope you have understood till here. If you have any doubts regarding till here, you can ask me on my WhatsApp number. Now we will do the quick practice question and answers. You will write it down after new words. First you will copy down the new words of this lesson, then you will write down the quick practice question and answers which I will give you.